my Chevy. I'm ripping in my Chevy, my Chevy, my Chevy. I'm flossing in my Chevy, my Chevy, my Chevy. I'm riding in my Chevy.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LS Chevy 254. You tuned in for another one. This one kind of hurts a little bit. Let it breathe. I'm out here trying to save them. They still ending up in the junkyard, unfortunately. Unfortunately. So what we got here, 73 to 87. This one in particular is a 1983 C10. Look like they're not really replaced the handle ones before. It's not rivets, it's actual bolts. You got your little light switch here. Oh, this one had a digi dash in it. They filed for that one. They filed for that one. Maybe, no, it might not have been a digi dash. 80, digi dash didn't come around to like 90. And even then, it was kind of suspect. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much how the gauges and stuff went in there. I don't know why they didn't take all of it. Just a big old tease. Let's see what we got. The door panels are wrapped in some horrendous, something very horrendous. Dash is in not that bad a condition, but it could be better. But you know, that ain't nothing but a G thing. Shout out to that boy Cortez. If y'all didn't watch his video or see his video when he did it, because it's probably gone now. But yeah, if y'all didn't see his video when he did it, man, just silence him. You watch other YouTubers, you know what I'm saying? You don't always just copy what they're doing. Sometimes you have an aha moment. You know what I'm saying? And you think of some shit that you could also do that will work just as good as, if not better than, you know, what's already out there. Yeah, this shit is terrible, bro. Terrible. I mean, I know this door, like this door panel. I mean, I know y'all got it wrapped and shit, but god damn, bro, like this shit is terrible. Like, this is some shit I would probably like just take all this shit off and like paint it. But I got dope panels, so I'm good. I'm good. I got the little flow trim things. And we got the actual handle. Whatever you want to do. That shit. Don't look to be super duper rusted out. Looks like it's got even some sound dead material in here. And all that good stuff. So rust in the regular areas, as you can see. Unfortunately, there's no glove box for me to bring y'all the scoop on this truck. But it is what it is. 1983 C10. Looks like it was 350 in there. 350, 305. Look like you got some long tube headers. If y'all want some headers, man, and y'all still riding 305, 350, man, y'all better check these junkyards. Get you some headers for the low. I be trying to tell them boys, they don't want to listen. So yeah, get you some long tube headers. These body panels look to be alright. This is that trim that I just replaced on mine. Yeah. not as nice looking as mine was. It looks like originally, because mine just had like the different little clips that was on there. This one I could be wrong, but where's my tool at? So I can scoop this down. I didn't bring nothing to. Oh shit, fuck it. Okay, so yeah, it was just little clips that held it on. Boom, boom, and then the metal. So yeah, I guess it just slid on there. Make sure it stayed. That was fucked up anyway. Don't come for me. Don't come for me in the comments. And you got your little side mirror. It's kind of busted up. What I was gonna look at, I was gonna see how that was mounted in there. I'm sure it's not rocket science, but okay, yeah, so I see one screw, two screw. But yeah, I think on one of mine it looked like it was missing. It's supposed to be like something attaches to the door and then you just screw it in. Rear end doesn't look to be anything special. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 bolt rear end. So it's probably an 8. Probably 8.5. Probably not a 7. Probably not a 7.5. Probably 8.5. But like I said, there's nothing for me to confirm it. Tail light is busted up. Bumper is flipped. Pushed in, pushed back. Tailgate don't look to be in too bad a condition. If you I guess ignore the rust up here. Yeah, that's did it in like that. So real bad. It is what it is though, man. No biggie. Yeah. That's gonna wrap it up for that one, man. Trying to find something. I was just coming out here to see if I could find something. Bring out some more content. Y'all said this what y'all want. I ain't gonna ask you what you want and I ain't gonna ask you what you want and then I give it to you. That just be rude. Alright, man. Shit, so smash that like button. Till the next time, man. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices, choose wisely, and productivity over procrastination. And remember, the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone.